Now I am going to start the operation on signals. There are various mathematical operations are possible in signals. That first I can highlight one very basic operation, that is a time shifting operation. First one, time shifting operation. Say I am taking one signal, that is x of t. Say x of t is like this. X of t can be represented like this. This one is a x-axis time. This one is a x of t. X of t is a signal. I can signify this origin is t equals to 0, and this point cuts the x-axis at in 6, and this point cuts the x-axis in -2. So before this t0, the points are minus, negative, and this side is a positive. So I have given you a signal, that is x of t. X of t having the amplitude x of t expressed in the y-axis, the time expressed in the x-axis. Now, what is the that is a mathematical equation of x of t. Now I want to move this signal. I want to give you a signal that to implement or to draw a signal. That signal should be x of t plus t naught, or t plus minus t naught. So what will be this plus and minus sign signifies? How we can implement this t plus t naught or t minus t naught? There is a basic notations are there. For plus sign, we call this as advance, and minus sign we call this delay. Advance and delay. How we can express this advance and delay physically? Say, if I have scheduled any work on 1 p.m. Say I have scheduled on work, that is a 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m. Say I have scheduled one work in 1 p.m. But somehow, some circumstances, my work is delayed. Now I want to do the work at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Say I want to do that work in 4 p.m. Now previously I want to do this work in 1 p.m. Now I am going to do this work in 4 p.m. So this arrangement is called delayed. My work is delayed, has been delayed. My work, I have delayed my work. So this concept, delay concept is comes here. So whenever we are traveling in a time axis, delay terms goes to the right. Delay goes to the right. If I want to do one work in 1 p.m. but the necessary situation arises, I have to do this work early. Early means advance. So I want to do this work in 11 a.m. So I have to travel in time axis towards left. So it is clear that whenever I want to delay my work, but delay my time, delay my signal, I have to travel towards right. Signal to be shifted towards right. If I want to advance my work, advance my time, then I have to shift the signal towards left. This minus sign signifies the delay. This plus sign signifies the advance. So if I want to move this signal, as say this T naught is represent like 4. say I want to draw a signal that is x plus 4, xt plus 4, xt plus 4. I want to draw one signal that I have already I have x of t. Now I want to draw this x of t plus 4. This plus sign represents the advance. How much advance? Now 4 second advance. So here if it is expressed in the second, so now the x of t plus 4, the signal x of t plus 4 is shifted towards right, towards left, because it is advanced. The signal shifted towards left. More clear, it will be more clear if you put a equal to sign on this. If you put an equal to sign on this, now you can get the every point of starting of the t. You can get the point of starting of the t. How? If you place this t equals to 0, then t equals to minus 4. T equals to minus 4. If you want to delete this signal, so now t is started from minus 2. Now for this signal, if you have the x of t equals to 0, that means t, if you put this as equals to 0, so t equals to 0. So at t equals to 0, this signal is started from the minus 2. So for t equals to minus 4, this signal will be start from the minus 2 plus minus 4, that is a minus 6, and it is shifted towards left 4 second left. So this also shifted 4 second left. So 6 minus 4, that is 2. This is the x of t plus 4. If I want to draw a signal that is x of t minus 4, so if I want to draw a signal that is x of t minus 4, now I have the signal is started from the minus 2 and ending in 6 plus 6. Now if I give one equals to sign in here, so t equals to t minus 4 equals to 0, that means t equals to 4. So I can add this 4 with the minus 2, that the signal will start from the signal as if is a delay. Delay means we need to shift the signal towards right. How much right? 4 second right. 4 second right. By seeing this sign and value, you can directly move this. But for your understanding, more understanding, I can give this explanation also. You can equals to a 0. You can put equals to 0 and you can get a value of t. You can add this value with this. So if you add 4 with the minus 2, then you can get this as from the 2. Say 2 to 6 plus 4 is a 10. 2 to 10. This is the x t minus 4 signal. When you have the signal x of t like this. If you have x of t like this, so this signal is not changed. Why? How you can get this signal is not changed? Because here it is minus 2, here it is plus 6. How much length of this signal is a 6 plus 2 is 8. How much length of this signal? Signal length is a 8. This signal time axis, not length, time axis is 8. And one thing is that if it is having amplitude of say 2, amplitude of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, amplitude 2, this signal also amplitude 2, because we are not changing any amplitude, is a time shifting, we are not going to change the amplitude of the signal or value of the signal is same, but time axis is shifted. I am using the operation of time shifting of time को shift करा, you are going to shift the time, but not changing any time, means not compression, not expansion, I am not changing any value, just I am going to shift the time axis of x of t in advance, in delay. Is there any confusion? I can give one example, another example also in this respect for your understanding. Say I can take one another signal, sorry. So I can take one another signal, say like this, x of t. The second example I am giving on this. Say I am taking one signal, drawing one signal on draw, or take one signal. That signal is say minus 4 to plus 4, minus 4 to plus 4. Now I want to shift this signal as plus minus 2, x of plus t plus 2 and t minus 2 also. I want to draw these signals, both signals. So how these signals look like? So if I want to shift this signal, this is a plus. Plus means advance. Advance means we need to shift the signal towards left. We need to shift the signal towards left. How much seconds I need to shift? If it is expressed in a second, then we need to shift the signal 2 seconds more. So is a minus 4, then I need to start the signal from minus 6. Minus 6 to plus 2, x of t plus 2. That is a signal. If I want to draw a signal that is x of t minus 3, t minus 3, that is a t time axis. So I want to shift the signal minus. Minus means delay. Delay means signal is shifted towards right. Delay. Delay is advance. Signal is shifted towards left. Delay means signal is shifted towards right. So right, how much second we need to shift right? 3 seconds. So 3 seconds means we need to add this 3 with this, add this 3 with this. So if I want to add this minus 4 plus 3, then it's a minus 1 second. And plus 3 plus 4 is a 7 second. And the amplitude is fixed. If it is A, then it is also A, then it is also A. Amplitude is fixed. Next is a number 2. Time scaling operation. Say I have a signal x of t, and I want to draw one signal that is x of alpha t. Last operation I have given you idea about the x of t plus minus t naught. Now I have a signal that is x of t. I want to draw a signal that is x of alpha t. Alpha t does the time scaling operation. Time scaling is two types. One is the compression, another is the expansion. If this alpha value is greater than 1, the signal compression. Signal compression. If alpha value less than 1, expansion. So based on this idea, how this is possible? Say I am taking one signal that is x of t. T is a time axis here represented, and say I am taking one signal minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am I am giving you that the signal is say 4 volt is the height, amplitude is a 4 volt, and the signal starting from the minus 2 to 4 plus 4. Now I want to draw a signal that is x of 2t, x of 2t. So from this idea that I have given you, alpha, when alpha value is greater than 1, alpha value is greater than 1, that means what it does basically. If I have recorded one music of 5 minutes and I want to hear the music within 1 minute, if I have a music of 5 minutes and I want to hear this music within 5 minutes, so that time within 1 minute I can listen the whole music. I can listen the whole music within 1 minute, but the time axis is very fast. Time axis is very fast, is 5 times. Time axis is 5 times. That means say 5 minute time, one music of 5 minutes, I am playing this music within 1 minute. So time axis is very fast, fastly moving. So here the concept of 2t, that is alpha greater than 1, so 2 is greater than 1. So that time the signal compression basically does. So the signal is same, but it is compressed. Time axis is compressed. How this is expressed? We need to divide this alpha, divide the time by alpha. We need to divide this time. Say this one is the t1, this one is the t2. So modified time is the t1 by alpha and t2 by alpha. So now if it is alpha is equals to 2, so minus 2 divided by 2, that means minus 1. So now the modified signal started from the minus 1, and 4 divided by 2, that means it's 2. So minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2, amplitude is fixed. I am not dealing with the amplitude because I am dealing with the time scaling operation. So now this signal is the x of 2t. Is any confusion? Next is the x of t by 2. So here t by 2 means 1 by 2, alpha value is the 1 by 2. Alpha 1 by 2 means alpha is lesser than 1. So if I am recorded one music of 5 minutes and want to play the music of in 10 minutes, that means I have expanded the time scale, and music is long time music is running. So this is the basically compression expansion of the signal, that if we place the alpha less than 1, how it is implemented in mathematically. We need to multiply multiply this by alpha. We need to multiply this. So when it is like this, so t is multiplied by 2 is say it is expressed as 1 by alpha basically. So 1 by alpha means it is very easier for you. If you express this is like this, 1 by 2 is 1 by alpha, so that you can estimate this t1 into alpha and t2 into alpha. Or you can express this, if you say this 1 by 2 is alpha, so if you can divide this. If you take this, consider this 1 by 2 is equals to alpha, so you can multiply this t1 by alpha, you can multiply t1 by t1 by alpha, t1 multiply, not divide by alpha, you can divide by alpha. When you will take this as 1 by 2 is equals to alpha. Otherwise, if you consider this 1 by 2 is 1 by alpha, then multiply with alpha. So if I am consider this concept, so 2 is the alpha, so I want to multiply this t1 by 2 and t2 by 2. So after multiplication is minus 4 and it is 8, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe gaps are not uniform because handwritten. Otherwise, if we implement it in computer, if the gaps are same. Maybe gaps are different because of I'm handwriting handwritten graph, so that maybe possible I'm not using any scale, so that gap may be different. But it is if you implement this in software or graphically or scale using scale, you can create this. This one is a t and this one is a x of t by 2. So if you see this, the signal time axis length of the time axis of the signal is a minus 2 to 4, that means 6, but here it is 3, minus 1 to 2. If you see this 8 to minus 4, that means 12. So here it is 6, it is 12, it is 3. So it is a compression, it is a expansion, and is a normal signal. Third operation, that is a time reversal or folding. Operation. Folding operation. Say I am taking one signal x of t. Say x of t is starting from the minus 4 to 6. Minus 4, that means I am not given this origins, because I think that you understand this. Otherwise, if you have confused, I can show these lines also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So this signal, I have imagined one signal, or I have drawn the signal x of t. The amplitude of the signal is 4. Now I want to draw a signal that is x of minus t. How this I can plan to draw this signal? This minus t, whenever a negative sign present in front of the time, it shows the signal is in reversed order or folded. Signal is folded. Folded means this side comes to the right, left side comes to the right. Means I am going to place one mirror in the origin, and left side of the signal comes to the right side of the signal comes to the left. That is called folding. If you place one paper, and if you have drawn the signal by ink, and if you fold the paper, then after folding of the paper, you will see the left side of the image comes to the right side of the image comes to the left. That is a mirror imaging or folding operation. So in folding, after folding, that the x of minus t, if I want to draw the x of minus t, x of minus t, so this x of minus t, that means 6 is coming in the left side, so minus 6, and this minus 4 coming to the right side, that is a plus 4. Amplitude is same. Amplitude is same, but only time axis is reversed. Left side comes to the right side comes to the left. If I want to draw on another signal, that is x of t is equals to like this, say 2 to 4. and I want to draw x of minus t. X of minus t. Now x of minus t, I have to place one mirror in here, and the after mirror imaging.
minus 4.
Yes, yes, exactly, correct. Minus 2 to minus 4. That is a x of minus e. That is a reversal, time reversal or folding operation. Now I want to solve one composite problem. That composite problem means I am going to two type of operations in a same problem. I am feeding one single problem with a two type of operations. Now applying composite. Say I can draw one signal t, say x of t, minus 4 to say minus 4 to 8, and amplitude is 4. I think I have a preference on 4, so that 4 is coming repetitively. Now it is given to be given x of t in a problem, and examiner given you to draw the signal as find signal. Some competitive exams, these type of problems can come in competitive exams also. So you have to serious on this problem, solving of problems. Basically, I am solving many type of problem in the classes also. So a problem is given, say x of minus 2t plus 4. Minus 2t plus 4. Here two type of methods are there to solve this type of problem. You can use this type of methods for solving in competitive examinations, GATE like examination or university examinations also. For this, two type of operations are possible. One is coming to the right to left, another way is a left to right. Right to left means first you have to consider x of t plus 4 whenever I am method 1. So method 1, left to right, no, right to left, sorry, right to left, right to left. For this right to left solving, I am drawing the signal of this x of t plus 4. So t plus 4 means, as we know that we need to add this plus means advance. Advance means we need to shift the signal in left side. So it started from the minus 8, and it is ending in the plus 4.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Okay. Now this t is expressed in the x-axis. This is x plus t plus 4. Is not multiplication, is addition. I am overriding this so that it may be visible as multiplication. Is addition, x plus t plus 4. Now next is the from the right to left. Next operation is multiplying t by 2. So I am going to draw the signal of this x of 2t plus 4. 2t means is compression or expansion. If alpha is greater than 1, then we are doing the
compression.
yes compression.
Compression.
So how much compression? 2 times compression divided by 2. So a minus 8 divided by 2, that means minus 4, and this is 4 divided by 2, that means 2. Amplitude is fixed. I am not dealing with any amplitude. Amplitude is fixed. So now this is the x of 2t plus 4. Still means one operator left, that is the minus. So minus means folding. So I can write, finally I can draw the signal, that is x of minus 2t plus 4. That is the folding of this signal, that 2 is coming to the minus 2. Here it is the 4. So now this one is the final signal that the problem is given. Draw the x of minus 2t plus 4. So this one is the minus 2t plus 4. This one is the one type of method from the right to left. Another way we can solve this as a method 2, that's left to right. Method 2. So for method 2, first left side function operator that we have seen, that minus. So first I am operating that the folding operation with this signal x of t. So before going to that, I want to draw this signal, otherwise may be confused. So minus 4 to 8. Minus 4 to 8. Amplitude is 4, that is the x of t. Now I am to draw the x of minus t. X of minus t. So I am folding the signal. So 8 comes here and 4 comes here, right side. Now I am operating the minus 2t. 2t means compression of this signal. So now next is the x of minus 2t. X of minus 2t means minus 4 to 2. Maybe minus 4 is smaller, 2 is larger, you can confuse, but is a error of drawing error, nothing, is a drawing error. So minus 4 to 2. Now another function left on this. Another operator is left, addition, that means advance. So if I advance this, so how can we advance this? Means if we generally we can see this, the function is given x of minus t plus 2 plus 4. We can't operate this plus 4 with this. Here we need to apply a trick on that. Otherwise, if we apply this directly addition, we can't get the original one. So for right to left, directly we can operate one by one operators. But in case of left to right, we can't operate directly in every operator one by one. Because whenever we have operated folding first, then we need to apply one trick on that, otherwise we are facing a erroneous result. That for this we need to apply this minus 2 should be take common on that. So t plus 2, t minus 2 should be here. For operating this, for drawing this signal or applying this signal, we need to draw this x of minus 2 under bracket t minus 2. So if we multiply this minus 2 with this, so minus 2t plus 4. Now what signal we can get, that minus of 2. Minus of 2 means we need to delay the signal. We need to delay, how much delayed? We need to provide 2 second delay on this. So the signal is 2 second delays, means minus 4 plus 2. That means the signal will start from the minus 2 and end in the 4. That is the signal of x of minus 2t plus 4. If you match this both the result, this is a minus 2 to plus 4, this one is a minus 2 to plus 4, amplitude is same, this one is a 4, this one is a 4, this one is a 4, this one is a 4. So these are the two methods. One is this one is the left to right, and last one I have given you the right to left.